I'm very excited about the school trip. Instead of saying very excited, you can say thrilled. I'm thrilled about the school trip. Excellent. Thrilled means extremely excited.
I'm very confused by this question.
Instead of saying very confused, use puzzled. I'm puzzled by this question. Well done. Puzzled means confused and thinking hard.
I'm very surprised by the news.
Instead of very surprised, say astonished.
I'm astonished by the news.
Brilliant. Astonished means extremely surprised. I'm very interested in this book. Instead of very interested, say fascinated. I'm fascinated by this book. Excellent. Fascinated means extremely interested. I'm very happy with my results.
Instead of very happy, say delighted. Okay, then I'm delighted with my results. Splendid. Delighted means extremely happy.
Subscribe to Storio for more English lessons.